Hello and welcome. This is Explain That. In this tutorial on how to turn off your face recognition on Facebook Android. So let's get started, but there's a couple of issues for this one. So if you turn on your Facebook account, be sure to log in and you go to your profile icon, tap on the cog settings as usual, and then search on recognition. It will prompt you to nothing. Before, it should have prompted you to something else that making your face recognition to be failed as well. But since Facebook already removed this feature for about a couple of months already, Facebook face recognition is already ceased to be exist, and therefore you cannot maintain or any other function that is similar to that one will be removed as well. So that's about it, and this is a guide on how to turn off your face recognition on Facebook on Android. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.